Can you decode this puzzle? Answer is noodles. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is trillion. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is stay indoors. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is cut corners. Can you decode this puzzle? Answer is forecast. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is bad influence. Can you decode this puzzle? Answer is backpedal. Can you guess this correctly? This is quite tricky. Answer is peasants. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is summer. Can you guess this correctly? Answer is metaphor. Can you guess this correctly? Answer is leftover. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is backhand. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is elbow. What's this puzzle saying? Did you guess correctly? Answer is launder money. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is discount. Can you guess this correctly? This is very easy. Answer is hand in hand. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is beyond time. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is mayonnaise. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is administrate. Can you guess this correctly? Answer is entry. Thanks for watching. Please be kind to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos.